231,000 kilometers. That's more than 3 times around the Earth, all on electric power. Today, we're giving my 2022 Tata Nexon EV Max the ultimate midlife refresh with a major fluid service and a brand new set of shoes. At this mileage, maintenance is key. We performed a full fluid overhaul, draining the old coolant and transaxle oil to keep the electric motor running cool and efficient. We also gave it fresh brake oil for that like-new stopping power. Total cost for this major service? Just Rs 4,960, proving that EV maintenance doesn't have to break the bank. If you're an EV owner, don't skip those major services. It's what keeps these cars running like a dream. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more EV maintenance and long-term reviews. After a quick overall checkup, she's back on the road and feeling better than ever. The steering pole issues I had back in December are a thing of the past, and the drive is smoother and quieter than ever. 131,000 kilometers and still going strong.